The daily question for today is smallest divisible digit, product 1. We are given with two integers n and t. Written the smallest number greater than or equal to n, such that the product of its digits is divisible by t. So in the question, we are given with two integers, that is n and t, and we are supposed to written a result which is the product of each of the digit that is present in n and the number which is divisible by t, which means, let me explain by taking the first example. We are given with n is equal to 10 and t is equal to 2, so the product would be 10. How is this? In the sense, we are supposed to calculate the digit product of n. So the digits of n is 1 and 0. The product would be 0. Now then we need to check if the product of the digits of n is divisible by t or not. So 0 is divisible by 2. It's a yes. So in such case, you need to written the question which is given, that is n, directly. So the output would be 10. Second, we have the question where there is a little bit twist. So we are given with n is equal to 15 and t is equal to 3. So the product of the digits of n here would be 1 into 5, that is 5. Now when we check its divisibility with t, which is 3, 5 is not divisible by 3, right? So now you have to increment the size, increment the value of n by 1. So it would be 16. N will be 16. Now find the product of each digits of n. That is 1 into 6, which is 6. So then check if 6 is divisible by 3. It's a yes. So written 6. So here the overall idea would be, if the given number and its digit product of the digit is not divisible by the given t, then you need to increment it until you get that number which is divisible by the given t, and you written that particular number. I hope the question is clear. Now let's go for the coding part and look how we could solve this. Firstly, we will require to calculate the product of each digit present in n. So we'll declare a separate function in private int product, which takes integer values, say n, and then you need to have one variable, say product, which you assign it to 1, and a while loop which runs until n is greater than 0. n no product is equal to, multiply or equal to n mod 10, so that you get each of the digits from the end of n, and then you have to change the value of n as well, so that our loop doesn't go into infinite looping. Okay, this gives us the product. We written product here. Okay, this function gives us product of each digits present in the number n. Now if the product of n is divisible by t, which means the condition should be 0, there should be no remainder. In such case, we written n directly. Else, while until the product of the number is not divisible by t, not divisible by t, this means the product that we get is not divisible by t. You need to increment n. Okay. Then finally, we need to return yen. This is it. The program is all about. Yeah. Now, overall, if I have to talk about the time complexity would be big O of m plus d. What this means is m is the number of integers that we have to pass through in order to get the final n value which we written, and the d is the number of digits that are present in n, and the space complexity would be big O of 1 because we are making use of very few variables like product. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.